How's it going, my breakfast people? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an omelet. Now, an omelet can be kind of tricky, but I'm going to step you through it one step at a time. It's going to be very easy. Just stick with me. I think an omelet's a really good way to start the day. Eating it for breakfast is going to get you your proteins right off the bat and your vegetables as well. It's a quick, easy process. Let's get right into it. Okay, so here's what you're going to need if you're going to want to make this omelet. Now, my philosophy is the more color to your omelet, the better. So here's what I'm going to be working with. I got some diced peppers. Now, you can either do red, green, yellow, orange, whatever suits you. But I got green and orange here. I also got diced tomatoes. Just the Roma kind. You can pick them up at any produce section of any grocery store. And finally, I got spinach. So as you can see, we're going to be getting our vegetables. And to top it off, now I'm not going to be using all of this, but I got a big thing of rice right here. Rice is a really filling ingredient. I picked up the rice trick when I was down in South America. So I'm going to be doing a 3-egg omelet. I got your 3 eggs right here. Go ahead and give those a crack. We're going to put those in. Try to keep the shells out. Now after you get your eggs cracked, it's pretty easy from here on out. You just got to take your ingredients and slide them in. Now I'm not doing perfect here, but as long as it all gets in, it'll be okay. Now I'm not going to do too much rice, but I'm going to do a couple spoonfuls. It's all going to get broken up eventually. Don't worry about stirring it yet. I probably had 3 full spoonfuls there. So when you're done, your concoction should look something like this. Now with your spoon or your fork, go ahead and give that a mix. You're going to want to be breaking up the chunks of rice if you put them in. But mostly we're looking to break up those egg yolks. So when we're done here, we're going to have one homogeneous solution of egg ingredients. Now I know it might look good, but don't eat it yet, because uncooked eggs can have salmonella. Now I know a lot of you have seen that movie Rocky, where he takes those eggs he takes those raw eggs and goes on a run. Now I wouldn't jump to be doing that in the morning. I would at least cook them. Okay. So it looks like I got a pretty homogeneous solution of ingredients of omelets. Now I'll check right back with you in a moment. Now you can add olive oil or butter, whichever one, or if you have non-stick spray you can add non-stick. But you're not going to want to have your omelet sticking when it's done cooking. So go ahead and coat that pan. And then we have our solution of ingredients. Now go ahead and give that a pour onto the pan. And it should look like this. So now we're going to want to cook this on low to medium heat, I would say for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. But we're not going to be doing it on time. We're going to be doing it by when the omelet tells us it's done, which you can tell by when you go like this if it shakes like it's liquid or not. When it has become a solid and only the liquid is moving around on the top of it, that's when you're going to want to call it done. Alright, we'll check back when it's time. Okay, we're back. It's been about 12 minutes. So see how I'm shaking it? And it's pretty firm. There's just a little bit of a jiggle on the top layer of that omelet right there. That's when you know it's about done. So here's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to transfer it over to my plate. Since we got that non-stick on there, it should just slide off easy. And now this part, I know a lot of people, they fold their omelets like a tri-fold. I've always just done a bifold like this. And if it breaks down to half, that's fine. I think that's just an easy way to do it. Everything else is just for aesthetics anyway. So there's my omelet. Now I'm going to come over here and eat it for breakfast. I'm gonna enjoy this omelet with some milk. I got this Almond Breeze vanilla. It's delicious. I thought I'd give it a quick shout out. And then I got these two salsas. I picked them up at Publix. There's a guacamole salsa. I thought it looked interesting, so I bought it. And then I got this peach salsa. And man, I don't know. I might just eat both. So there's my omelet. I hope y'all got something out of this, and maybe you can have a healthy breakfast too. Enjoy. Bon appetit.